The planet of Coruscant is one of the most interesting and diverse planets in the entire Star Wars universe. It is what's known as an ecumenopolis, meaning that the entire planetary surface is completely covered in one gigantic city. It is a world that's been in constant urban development for tens of thousands of years, and it grew so large that the only way to continue expanding the city was to start building on top of the existing structures, which are referred to in the city as levels. In total, there are over 5,127 levels on Coruscant, which divides up the population into vertical sectors. Some of the skyscrapers and megastructures that exist on Coruscant put anything that we've built on Earth to absolute shame. For reference, the tallest building ever constructed in human history is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It's over 2,700 feet tall and has 163 stories. The average skyscraper on Coruscant is likely thousands of stories tall, rising multiple kilometers into the sky and plunging just as far beneath the surface. Just a single one of these buildings can contain millions of people going about their daily lives. For comparison, the city of Phoenix, Arizona has a population of around 1.6 million people. So now, just imagine condensing that into a singular building, which there are multiple millions of throughout the entire planet. Really speaking, just a singular one of these buildings can be considered a city in and of itself. And in terms of total population, if we assume that Coruscant has roughly the same surface area as Earth, but that entire surface is covered in city, including the oceans that they literally drained into massive water reservoirs in the lower levels to make room for more expansion, then the population math gets unfathomably insane. Even with extremely conservative density estimates, stacking only a fraction of those 5,127 levels into a fully inhabited space already puts Coruscant in the hundreds of trillions of residents. If more of those levels are densely populated, that number easily climbs into the quadrillions, making it one of the most populated places ever imagined in science fiction. To put that into perspective, Earth struggles to support 8 billion people. Coruscant supports numbers so large they almost stop feeling real. This isn't just a city, it's a civilization layered thousands of times over. And that estimate might still be low, because not every level of Coruscant is properly counted anymore. The deepest, lowest levels are so old, dangerous, and dilapidated that entire districts have fallen off official census records entirely. These underlevels are shrouded in darkness, crime, abandoned infrastructure, and unknown populations that have lived there for multiple generations, largely forgotten by the surface world. So when we say Coruscant may house hundreds of trillions to even quadrillions of beings, that number likely doesn't include everyone, only the ones the planet still remembers.